Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm showing you guys how to cut out the background, remove it, and replace it with any image, guys. Really easy and simple. This is going to take like a minute or two to do, and it's complete for free. So this is application, guys, called CapCut. So you can see it is, I go back to it here. So on the bottom right, that's the app, CapCut, free to download. They don't add purchases, so it's completely free. We go to the top right, and we actually could add a file, and then we could get rid of that, remove ending, so close. So, okay, we just removed that. Doesn't matter. So, when we go to a new project, you want to put in the video. All right, so once you put in the video from the video you want to edit, you can see this is a regular video of me. Nothing too special. Maybe being a little cocky, but nothing too special. Just a random video I just recorded just for the purpose of this video. So, to do this, you guys want to actually tap onto the video, and then you're going to see background. So, just like that, remove background. Just tap on that. So it's going to say it's going to load or whatever, say background removed, and then you can see it's going to be a black background. So, I mean, it's a little glitchy, so you can see as you play it, you see on the, over here a little, it does come up a little. But for the most part, it's pretty black on the background. So, like I said, it's not perfect, but it does work pretty well. Without you have to, manually do it yourself, take a lot of time, but it's pretty good. I mean, just pressing one button, it does it. So, now, if you guys, that's how you guys do remove the background. So now if you want to replace the background with an image, for this, it can only be an image, not a video, unfortunately, but you can still replace it with an image. Then you basically want to, let's see, scroll over. So if you're clicked onto it, you're not going to see it. You want to click back on, click off it somehow. And you see, now once you're clicked off of it, you're not clicked on the video, you're going to see different options down here. But you're going to scroll over, you're going to see canvas. Tap on canvas, and then tap on background. And you can change it to any background, just like that. You can also go over here to a photo and pick out a photo from your gallery and add that photo there. And that's really it, guys. So, pretty cool. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Once you're done, you press check mark and you're done. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.